program is very hands-on. The other thing is that there's a mentor assigned to you, and so you have an option of asking questions to the mentor. You have a very classroom-like feeling. And the third thing is the fact that it is designed to be very flexible. Peeush Goyal. I'm based out of Pittsburgh. I work for a company called Evolent Health. I'm the senior director for a risk adjustment SaaS and quality program over there. I joined this program I think last year in July. It's been pretty good experience with the program itself. The fact that I was already working in this area and I wanted to expand my knowledge and understand the intricacies behind machine learning, artificial intelligence, and so that I'm more aware of it and I can be more productive at work while talking to the data science team. This program, more different from other programs in the country, is the fact that you have a mentor who's assigned to you, and the fact that you have a classroom that has people from your similar background. So I also read that when the classes are assigned to people, you look at the overall experience level of the person, and then try to assign them to similar background, people from similar background. So I thought that would be a good peer group that I can interact with, who all come from the similar background as I do, or have similar work experiences I have, and will be on the same wavelength when I talk to them, and will have a decent velocity while doing the program as well. And the fact that this was a mentor-led program and we were having classes every week was a differentiating factor for me. And then when I looked at the syllabus of this program, I think when I compared this syllabus with other programs in the country, this was very much spot on in terms of what I wanted to understand, what I wanted to do. I wanted to be more like a hands-on. At the same time, I wanted to have a breadth of exposure to this program, which I felt that this program had both. And the fact that there's a small class size, and I have a mentor who's I'm working with, and I'm able to ask questions, and I'm able to interact with my peers. And there's a portal that I can log in and look at post questions and look at assignments, look at the videos. So all of that I think has been very productive for me. When I look at this program versus other people that I chatted with in my circle, I see that not the other programs in the country, many of those are not that hands-on. Versus this one is like really hands-on, and they really tell you how to do the analysis. They have examples. They have plenty of examples, and it is not very overwhelming at the same time. I'm going to say yes. And the reason for that is because I was looking to obviously expand my exposure to machine learning, at the same time understand the fundamentals of data science, and then get a hands-on exposure to some of the commonly used libraries for machine learning. At the same time, I wanted to get a very firm understanding of supervised, unsupervised learning, differences between the two, and have some real-world applications of these. So all of that, I think when I saw the syllabus of the program, it was meeting my expectation. Work on multiple projects here, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. I'm now actually working on a project for artificial neurons, a neural network based project. So I think all of these projects have been very relevant. And the beautiful thing about doing a project over here in this program is that there has been adequate time for you to finish the project. Plus there are adequate templates that are provided as part of the syllabus that you can refer to and understand how things have to be done. My program manager is Garima, and I would say she's just phenomenal. I couldn't say more about her. She has been so much receptive towards answering questions, very instantaneous in terms of getting an answer, very specific, and she has been able to also provide a lot of direction around the program itself, the curriculum. If I have questions around some timelines, if I have questions around some class, one time I think I had to miss certain classes. She immediately accommodated me to another class during that week. And a few times I was not able to attend the class, so she followed up each time asking what happened, everything was okay, how can she help? So I think it has been a phenomenal experience working with Garima. I think the best aspect, there are three things that I think would differentiate this program from what I've heard from other students in other programs. One is this program is very hands-on. Each class, each week, they have notebooks that show you how to implement the concept, right, with actual code. And there is a notebook that is posted with questions on it, and there is a notebook that is posted with solutions on it. And so you have an opportunity to try out the concepts and implement your solution, and then compare your solution with these solutions provided. So that is one thing, being very hands-on. The other thing is that there's a mentor assigned to the class, to your course, and so you have an option of asking questions with the mentor. You have a very classroom-like feeling. And the third thing is the fact that it is, it is designed to be very flexible, and it is very specific to, the data science, machine learning, and NLP technologies. I would say yes. I think that somebody wants to switch careers, somebody wants to expand their knowledge, somebody wants to understand what's going on. I think this course is spot on in terms of what is needed in the market. And I've been, even though I didn't really have a data science background, but I've been involved in interviewing data scientists in my current organization. And I see the kind of questions that are being asked, and I see the kind of, curriculum that this course has. And I see that it is very hands-on, spot on, very much towards applying concepts in real world and showing you how to do that. And so that I think is the one which will really help somebody who's looking to switch or who's looking to grow into this area. I think that will be really helpful.